So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished reinstalling some piping here. Homeowner had a problem with some blockages in the sewer line. It was backing up into the sinks, and tried to do the repair. Got it almost complete, and then this nut snapped back here. So they had an old Schedule 40 P-trap, which is specific to this piping back here. So Schedule 40, and the nut that was down here, it was snapped, and so you had a leak as well as the blockage. So what we did is we just cut it back, glued a new adapter on, and went to tubular. Tubular was existing up here. You can see this pipe that came over, and then also the T, the tailpiece. That was all tubular to begin with. It's now new. It's identical to what was in there, but it's a new product, so the inside is whistling clean. What we did do is tubular P-trap and a little tubular extension right here. So there is no leaking in here to the best of our ability. We did run water for a little bit. It started to drain, and then it began to back up. It backed up all the way to the bottom of the basket strainer, and then it began to transfer over to the garbage disposal. So what we did, point of courtesy, we went ahead and dropped the P portion of the trap back out, dumped all the water out because we don't want that stainless steel being soaked in water overnight. So we got a hold of a drain cleaner. He's going to be out in the morning or tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, take care of the drainage problem. You get a little 2-inch clean out back there. So he'll pop that open, get this cleaned out for you. This bottom shelf is removable. Normally they glue this down and silicone it in to make it watertight, but it is removable. So if any water comes out of there and you see it standing, make sure that you pick up on this guy. So just take it, pick it up, pick that whole thing up out of there, clean around the wood real good, clean around the lip underneath the bottom of this lip of this pan, and get it real dry before you put back in. Otherwise, you're promoting mold growth. So you can see some in the hose right there, a little blackness. That's what happens when you get the soapy, sudsy debris going through there, and then it sticks. So that's what you have going in that line. You get too much in there, and you get a blockage, and that's when it begins to either discharge back into the dishwasher or pop out that little drain line up there. But anyway, so we repaired the trap. That's all we've done out here today, and we talked quite a bit, and that's it. So outside of that, this installation is done.